Hey y'all, let's make rice dressing. Okay, we're gonna start our recipe by browning 2 pounds of ground beef and 1 pound of ground pork. Okay, now that our meat is almost finished browning, we're gonna use quite a bit of Cajun seasoning. This is gonna be pretty much all of our seasoning. So you wanna make sure that you're liberal with it because there is a lot of rice that's gonna go in here. And if you're not, then it's gonna be really bland. This is just about done. We're gonna let this cook for just a minute more, and then we're gonna go ahead and add in our vegetables. Okay, now that our meat is all done browning and it's all seasoned up, we're gonna add in 1 large yellow onion, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 green bell pepper, all diced up nice and fine. We're gonna go ahead and put this in and cook our veggies all the way down before we add in the rest of our ingredients. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and let this finish doing its thing, cooking down, and it's gonna pull all of that crust off of the bottom of the pan and make hopefully a nice gravy, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our broth in. Okay, our vegetables have all cooked down. Now we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add 1 bunch of green onion in, and then I'm gonna add several cloves of garlic that I'm gonna mince up. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add, I have 8 cups of fresh chicken bone broth. You can either use chicken broth or use your own stock. If you're gonna use your own, I actually have a video linked above. So all this beautiful gold color that's gonna make our rice delicious, that is all coming from all of the browning that was on the bottom of the pan. And that really makes a difference in the end result of your dish. So make sure you take your time to brown your meat all the way and to cook down your vegetables all the way so that you can have a nice gravy when you go to add your stock in. Okay, I'm gonna add our lid and I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and then we're gonna add our rice. Now that this has come to a boil, I'm gonna add 4 cups of long grain brown rice that I have rinsed and set aside. I'm gonna cook this for about 50 minutes with the lid on low without opening it up. If you're using long grain white rice, you can do about 25 minutes, it should be done. Brown rice takes about double the amount of time. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a quick stir. Get that all incorporated. We're gonna put our lid back on, make sure it's on there right. We're gonna reduce this to low, and we're gonna cook this, like I said, for 50 minutes. We're not gonna touch it, we're not gonna open it. Our rice has been cooking for 50 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and take our lid off, and it looks beautiful. Like I said, if you're gonna use white rice, it only needs to cook for about 20 minutes, but the brown rice takes a lot longer. So we'll go ahead and give this a fluff. It came out nice and moist. It's gonna be so delicious. And this is all ready to go. I hope you guys love this recipe. It goes great with barbecue or anything else you're gonna make. Y'all have a great night.